Hey guys, welcome back to Do It on a Dime with Kathryn. Today's video is the look for less. We are decorating for the holidays, putting up a Christmas tree, shopping. I can't wait. And today's video is brought to you in part by ThredUp. Without further ado, let's dive into it.
It's my favorite part of it all.
This first trick is a game changer. I do not use plastic totes for my Christmas decor. Instead, I opt for these sheet set holders. They're meant for comforters. They're fabric. You can find them on Amazon. I'll be sure to link them down below. They're really lightweight and easy to move throughout the house as I decorate. The first place that I want to tackle is our main living room. And the first look for less that I want to show you once I got everything cleared out is a garland. These get really pricey online, and it can feel really intimidating trying to make one yourself. But go to Walmart and look for the Rochester garland. These sell out relatively quickly, but if you combine it with a few picks, you can get these for $1 to $1.48 or so. You can make a gorgeous look. I use painter's tape to cascade this over my mantle. 2 pieces on the edge and 1 piece in the middle. Then I take an additional garland and lay it in the back, and I have a beautiful mantle for under 20 bucks. Then I can change my decor up from year to year. I love these lamb's ear picks. They are just about $1 from Walmart, and they can be used for all different seasons. And if you're like me and those fairy light packs, you never remember to turn them off and it just eats through all the batteries, get one of these on a timer. They're just a couple of dollars from Walmart. I'll link them down below, and it's one of my favorite tricks to light your mantle even without a plug nearby. I also use these stocking holders, so when my kids pull on them, they're not going anywhere. And this year I went to the Dollar Tree. There were tons of gnomes out, and I decided this was how I wanted to decorate the mantle, so I hid gnomes all over this room. All this footage is from the dollar spot at Target. Look at the snowshoes and the flock trees and this moose. All of these are $3 to $5. I could decorate really quickly with the ski lodge vibe. That little box is from the Dollar Tree, and I just stuck a tree inside of it, and this turned out so cute on a budget. And coming up, I'm gonna show you how to decorate your tree for less, my favorite dollar store tricks.
And speaking of getting the look for less, you do not have to spend a lot of time or have tons of talent to find it, especially with your wardrobe, which is why I'm so grateful to ThredUp for sponsoring today's video. They have a brand new feature of their website. I've never before shared something like this, called Thrift the Look. You can see really cute outfits that somebody else put together who is way better at it than me, and I can find thrifted pieces up to 90% off estimated retail, so I can recreate the look. I've got a couple to show you today, and I want you to tell me the 2 you think I should keep. Here's the look right here so you can see, and here's what I was able to put together from ThredUp. This turtleneck was $9.99. This skirt was 12 bucks. These are rag and bone shoes. They retail for $500. I got them for less than $100. This is an outfit that I could wear all day. It is comfortable, it is stylish. I am in love. I don't think I can't get rid of this one. I have to keep this one. These pants are from a New Approach, retail for $48. I got them for $16.99. I love this look and how versatile all this is together. And I got so inspired by the model's bag. So cute. I love this look, and it's not something I would have ever put together myself. This Michael Stars cardigan retails for $148, and I got it for 46 bucks. I have this Banana Republic tee. I got it for under 15 bucks, and it retails for 35. But I think my favorite, you guys know how much I love shoes, are these Lucky brand boots. They're $129, and I got them for 46 bucks. Love it. So then I was shopping and getting inspired, and I added this shirt to my cart. It was 10 bucks, and I think it goes really well with the cardigan and jeans. I feel like this is an outfit I can mix and match. Let me know if you think I should keep this one, because I think I'm really liking it. I don't know if you're like me and you get nervous to step out with fashion, but okay, this is a $70 J. Crew hat, and I got it for 20 bucks. How do you think it looks? I think it's kind of fun with the right bag. Let me know what you guys think. I was so scared this next look wouldn't work, but this is a $125 Vince shirt that I found for $22, and I've always wanted to try flowy pants. I love it. These Blue Rain pants were $20 and they retail for 50 bucks. And you can use the code Kathryn, Kathryn, for an additional 30% off your first order at ThreadUp. Try out Thrift the Look. I hope you love it as much as me. Let me know in the comments of these 3 fall and holiday looks, which 2 you think I should keep.
Buying a brand new Christmas tree, especially the high-end flocked ones, can get really expensive, and buying new ornaments every year gets expensive too. So what I like to do is opt for ribbon. This dresses your tree in a new way every year, and you can do it on a budget. And if you have an old Christmas tree at home, try picking up snow flock from Amazon. You can actually flock a tree yourself. Take a little sifter and a spray bottle, spray on a little bit, and then sprinkle the snow over top. I did this a couple of years ago on our tree, and it's lasted really, really well. The water is going to cure, and when it dries, you have a gorgeous flocked tree that is ready to go in your house. But I'm gonna double up the ribbon like this. I have a gold snowflake one and then just a matte gold. And I'm gonna go ahead and just stick it like this and then stick it in here. And it's nice if it's a wire ribbon because it's really gonna bend. And then I'm just gonna cascade this down the tree. It does not have to look perfect. I like looking at the higher end trees, which have ribbon all in the same color but with different textures. So I grabbed this sparkly ribbon and I put it in a little loop, and then between each of the places where the ribbon cascades in, I can put it, and it almost looks like a tied bow, and it nestles right inside. All of my ornaments this year came from my garage or the dollar store. I start off with the biggest bulbs first, and then I add my picks. I got these from the Dollar Tree, and they're just berry picks. I decided midway through I wanted to light the tree while I was decorating it. It just makes it so much more fun. Sticking these berries inside in varying places gives it a lot of depth and dimension on a budget. And then I decided to get some dollar store red tulle because I thought it needed some more color, and this Dollar Tree garland. I thought this gave it more texture, and I just went and added it. I know this is not technically the order you're supposed to do it, but even if you make the tree your own, you can put it in any order you want. I got tons of gnomes too. I love how the gnomes are hidden throughout the tree. We counted and there are 28 in this room. The kids had so much fun trying to find them. A little word to the wise while you're decorating: if you get glitter anywhere, keep a lint roller nearby to get it off your couch. Works like a charm. One of my favorites this year from Walmart are these blankets. They're just $9.98 each, and they are literally so soft. Perfect for movie nights and draping over a chair. For years, I've been eyeing this Nativity set, but it is so expensive, and I wanted to get the look for less. When I was at Target, I also stumbled across this beautiful Nativity set. It was only $25. It's made of solid wood. I love the crush as well. This one would be an amazing gift idea on a budget.
Christmas lights bring a special glow.
Would this be a do it on a dime video if I didn't show you how to get a wreath for less? This wreath was under $10 from Walmart. And I just took one of those battery pack lights. Again, it's on a timer. It's just a couple of bucks, and it will turn on and off every day for you. And some Dollar Tree berries that I twisted inside, and a gnome from the Dollar Tree. How cute is this for under 20 bucks? The kids really wanted me to keep decorating with them, and we had this little schoolroom when we were homeschooling in 2020. We decided to take it down and create a secret Christmas corner fit for gnomes.
Nobody has to know. Do you get it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, the gnome.
I think there's a lot of value in upcycling and using what you already had. So we took this tent that was in Carson's room at our old house. It had just been in the closet, and we added a little light up gnome and some old trees that I thrifted. One was from the Dollar General, I think, and a sign I made in a recent DIY video, a blanket my grandma crocheted, and then some pillows from another spot of the house to make a really cool forest oasis. I took an old blanket to wrap it around the base of the tree and added some fun little toys and stockings to the top. This is so magical and whimsical in the playroom, and the kids were so excited.
Christmas time is here again. No more worries and no more fears. Leave it all, baby, this time of the
I'm gonna have a link to ThreadUp in the description box down below. Don't forget to use the code Kathryn at checkout for 30% off of your first order. I'm so glad you made it here today. if nobody has told you, you are enough. And I cannot wait to see you guys soon. Bye.
This time